Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Sony A7 Wednesdays. I hope you're doing good. Do you ever take some pictures with your camera and you hear that shutter click every time you press the button, click, 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 and maybe you're home and you don't want to bother anybody, or you just get tired of that click and you're like, damn, I wish I could just shoot in the silent mode. Well, you actually can. There is a setting in there where you could turn off the click so you can take pictures in peace and not bother anybody. So let's get into the settings and I'll show you how to do that. Let's go. Now that you're in the settings, what we want to do is go to tab number 2 and you see the little camera with the number 2. Go there and then we want to go to page 4. So we'll go to 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's the very first option. So I shoot with silent shooting off. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to turn it off. And now you'll see when I take a picture, you could probably hear it. That was the sound of the click. If you don't want that, all you have to do is turn silent shooting on. And now we'll see, I take a picture and you don't hear anything. And there you have it. That's how you shoot in silent mode. If the clicking of the shutter bothers you, just do that and you don't have to listen to it anymore. So I hope this was helpful to you. If so, leave a comment below. Let me know if you have any other questions. Are there any other settings in your Sony a7 III that you'd like me to review or teach you how to use? All right, I'll talk to you on the next video. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Peace, guys.